Hello, my name is Boston Stam, and this is my SPED talk. Um, the technology I'd like to show off is Flutter and Dart, which are both the platform and the programming language that I've used for my project this semester. It's something that I had to learn, and I am very glad that I chose this for my project because it has worked tremendously. It's the project that I was working on for this semester is a notes app that can work on any platform, whether it's mobile, desktop, or like on the web. So if I tell it to run here, you'll see it supports Windows, Chrome, Edge, but it'll also do it on a phone. If I run my uh, Android emulator, it'll run on that too. So and it'll run on Android natively. I don't have to change anything. I don't have to adjust anything that would run normally. I am using databases for my project, so my project does require some extra parts, like databases, because databases work differently on every platform you put them on. And the way it works is like if you had CSS and HTML built into C++, where you have code that's just all written together. Also, like Java, where code is, it looks just like regular code, but inside you can have override codes that control states like you would have with HTML and CSS and CSHTML. And the code that you put inside of that is like if CSS was just embedded into the code. And it will also debug itself, so you don't have to worry about writing CSS and not having it work and not understanding why it doesn't work because it never tells you what's wrong. Whereas with this, it just works. Like I have for here, I have a create dialog, or if I scroll down to my build, which is just the whole page, and I can go down to all the icon buttons that I have, or the icon button, where it's a button that's an icon. I give it, oh, this is the icon. This is what it does when it's pressed. Just like with HTML and tags. But you don't have to worry about putting them in specific places or making them work specific ways and it not working. With this, it just works. And like if it'll tell you, hey, that's not right, instead of just not doing anything with like what CSS normally does. And it'll also autofill. So if I go like this, what's another? I guess that's not one that you can put in the icon button. But yeah, it's like that where it will work and it'll autofill for you. What was there? Yeah. So that's Flutter and Dart. And I can show you how it works or how it looks once I actually get it running here. And it works and it looks nice and things just work. You can just kind of build whatever you want, whatever way you want. And you can control what's on the screen using a context, which is, see if I can find one. Yeah, context is what's on the screen. It's what is currently on there. It's basically everything about what's being used. And it's so nice that it just works. I'm so glad I found this, and I am going to continue using it in the future because it is just a phenomenal platform and coding languages. Okay, thank you for listening.